In this video, I can show you how you can hide the row or column in Excel. The fastest way. I have selected this L1 and now in the home section, I can select the option Format. In Format, you have seen the option Hide and Unhide. Now here, select the option Hide Rows. Now same, if unhide rows, now same, select hide and unhide. Now I can select hide column. This column is hide, and then I select format and then select hide and unhide. Unhide column appears. In this way, you can hide and unhide rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Thank you. Thanks for watching this. Next will be in the next video.